If your legacy involves leaving your IRA or your 401k for your kids, you may want to rethink that. Hi, I'm Desi Arnaz, professional investor, and today I'm going to be talking about the individual retirement account, because a lot of people use that as their way to transfer their wealth to the next generation. But I want to tell you, the IRA was not designed for that purpose. It's called an individual retirement account. That's what the IRA stands for. And it's an account that was created by statute in order to help individuals have a better retirement. It wasn't designed to help pass your money on, although it can certainly do that. That's not the point of it. And you see, it was designed by politicians, so keep that in mind too. And the way that it works right now is, if that's your plan and your kids are going to be inheriting your IRA, they're going to have to pay the taxes that come due on that IRA. The government planned it that way, trust me. And so if you're thinking that you're going to leave a certain amount of money for your heirs, the odds are they're going to get substantially less. Now, there is a way around that scenario, and it's called the Family Banking Dynasty Trust. And over the next few videos, I will be sharing ideas on how you can use a Family Banking Dynasty Trust to transfer your wealth to the next generation, eliminate those taxes, and leave the children and your heirs exactly the amount of money you want them to have. If you are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Also, click that bell so you'll be notified as I release these new videos. Now, if you're not already a member of the American Wealth Builders Network, you'll probably want to head on over to AmericanWealthBuildersNetwork.com, because at the American Wealth Builders Network, you'll find like-minded investors and entrepreneurs that you can talk to, you can connect with for sharing ideas, for learning, for sharing resources, for even doing deals together. It's a great resource and it's free. So head on over to AmericanWealthBuildersNetwork.com. Join us over there. Join the conversation. We would love to have your voice as a part of that conversation. I'll see you guys on the next video.